My name's Jacob Davis. We work for Classen's crane service out of Waterford, Vermont. We're in Facein, Vermont, assembling a pedestrian walking bridge. The bridge will weigh probably 17 to 18,000. It's like 80 feet long. We're gonna span it over this ravine to a customer's house. It's gonna be about 70-foot radius. We hauled it in on 2 tractor trailers in 2 sections, and we are working on bringing those 2 sections together right now before we set it. I'm gonna run about 125 feet of boom to be able to reach that radius with the extra long rigging we're gonna have, being an 80-foot bridge. We're gonna use 2 8-foot spreader bars to get our length we need for the span of 80 feet. We travel all kinds of terrain. It maneuvers well for the size of it, I think. As far as self-assembly, often I do set it up myself. We carry our pads on the back and the floats are all stowed on the crane. It's fairly simple. It doesn't take a long time, really. The camera views are good. It has the winch camera and then our side view camera, which is handy to see while you're swinging around to know what's around you. You have a pretty big blind spot on that side. I do like the Pulse 2.0. I think it's user-friendly. It's pretty easy to go through and do your fine metering or select your counterweight configuration, boom length, that kind of stuff without having to press a bunch of buttons to get to it, you know. I like the touch screen. It's straightforward, quicker, and easier to navigate through. This crane was the right choice for this job because of the capacities and the radius that we are working with here, and with the weight of the bridge itself, the boom length and the right capacity combined to be able to set it at 70 feet. The nicest feature as far as practicality with it would definitely be the boom length. It is nice when you have that extra little bit of boom to get where you need to go. The line pull is definitely nicer than what I'm used to. It can take a lot more weight. It does come in handy with the bigger things. You could use the whip line if you needed to. It's got a good amount of capacity, which is handy to be versatile between the 2 winches. I do like it. I think we must be pushing 600 hours on it already, so it's been busy. I would recommend this machine because being so versatile, you know, it's not an oversized crane, but it's big enough to do a lot of bigger jobs. It's a good size for a little bit of everything. I would recommend this machine for sure. As far as exceeding expectations, it does what we need, and that's good.